So my name's Kit, I'm one of the EV experts at Octopus electric vehicles, and we're here today to film and share with you all what a charger installation looks like and what you can expect from the day.
When we arrive at the customer's house, first thing we'll do a few safety checks to make sure the job is okay to go ahead. After that, we'll then be preparing the customer that the power will be going off at some point. They may have to turn off computers, boilers, such and such. We'll then probably crack on with actually fitting the EV charger itself. We will have a conversation with the customer to accommodate what they want, where they want it, how they want it fitted. They might want it behind a fence, they might want it in the garage, they might want it close to the front door. And also we need to think about where the car's going to be parked. Where's their parking space? Is that 5 metre tether going to be long enough, or do they need longer? Or they're not going to have a tether at all, they're going to use their own. It all depends on the property size. Is it a terrace house? We adhere to the customer here, so if they want it there, that's what we'll do. It may take a bit longer. It may make a standard install to a non-standard install. So this job now is a standard install. It's probably a less than 10 metre cable run, 1 or 2 holes drilled through a wall, 1 garage board, and that's basically it. So this is a day's work or half a day's work. So we class a lot of installs as standard installs, but not every property is the same. So when we do enter the property, it always could take a little bit longer, a little bit less. We can never give you a good time unless you've surveyed the job or seen it in the morning, basically. Now, obviously, a non-standard, again, could be anything with a couple of walls, 20 metre run. The longer it takes, the more or less that's going to be a standard install. It's going to be up to the customer or yourselves where you want the charger on the wall, because it's going to be on your house for a long time. So you need to be happy with it, the install as well, which obviously the engineer will provide you as best he can. Some houses, they can have it on one wall. We can run a cable a little bit longer, it could be on another wall. You can hide it behind a fence, you can hide it in the garage, it can be out front. All chargers are lockable, obviously, so no one can just pull up, plug in and start nicking your electric. They have to have permission either from the app, or you can lock the charger yourself. So obviously for Octopus, the most important thing is the customers, so we will accommodate and work with the customer as best we can. Again, could be a standard job, but if you want to go a bit more, you want it a bit more your taste, then it may be a non-standard job. But it may be worth it in the long run, as the charger's going to be on your property for a very long time.
So we've just seen the home charger be installed. For more information on how to charge and our electric vehicle tariffs, check out the other videos on our channel.